It's a wonderful night. Go ahead and release. It's a wonderful night. You know the music serves.
Assente Sofia Cavetti in corsia 1, nella prossima serie quella alla partenza sono i blocchi Ilaria Sartore, nuoto Vigonza in 2, Moran Conte, natatorium Treviso in 3, Francesca Fusari, Padova Nuoto in 4, Anna Baldisserotto, Padova Nuoto in 5, Alice Bolcato, nuoto Vicenza Libertas in 6, in 7 Alessia Pegorin, 3 piscine, in 8 Elisa Voltan, Padova Nuoto.
Well, let me tell you how we do it in California. We'll have you on the run just like a puma. If it don't move us, ain't paid your dues and it ain't gon' get our groovers on. We lose you to the consumer solution. Come on, it's a wonderful night. Gotta take it from me. It's a wonderful night. Come on and break it on. It's a wonderful night. Gotta shake it from me. It's a wonderful night. Come on and break it on. Girl, I want it, you got it, your body's like a narcotic, the thought is autoerotic. Come on and break it on down. Can I get it on credit against your brick house? I bet it, take it as far as you let it. Come on and break it on down.
Linda Falziroli va a chiudere 1:11:68 per lei, la vittoria di serie 12.